morning, children. Welcome to Nivedita School offline classes. And the subject is social studies. Yes, children, hope you all are fine. Yes, today in our class we are going to learn about the activities of lesson number 3, neighborhood services. Yes, children, look here. This is the lesson number 3, neighborhood services, and this is the part 3 of it, and it is the activities part. Yes, children, but before going to part 3, the activity part, let us have a quick recall of what have we learnt in part 2. Right, children? Do anybody remember what we have learnt in part 2? Yes, we have learnt about a good neighborhood services. What all the neighborhood services we have learnt in part 2? Yes, children, we have learnt about the police station, right? And how the policemen and women struggle very hard and they work hard to keep our neighborhood safe. The policeman keeps our neighborhood safe and we have to respect our policemen. Yes, children, they are the public servants who keep our neighborhood safe. And children, we have also learnt about the hospital, the neighborhood services, which is for our emergency. Yes, the life-saving neighborhood service is the hospital. And how the doctors and nurses, yes, children, they help us to keep ourselves healthy, right? We got to know about the hospitals also. Okay, and the last thing which we have learnt is the fire station. Yes, children, how they put their lives, the firefighters put their lives in struggle. Yes, and they safeguard our neighborhood by putting off the fires. Right, children? They even have the fire engine and the fire brigade. Yes, to get out of the fire. They keep ourselves safe. Okay, these are all the things which we have learnt in part 2. Okay, children, now let us move to the activities part one by one. Look here. Yes, this is the activity. Which numbers will you dial to call up the police, the fire station, and an ambulance? Right, children? What is the emergency helpline number for calling up the police? Yes, the number is 100. 100 is the emergency helpline number for the police. Right, children? And the second one, the fire station. Yes, which number will you dial to call up the fire station, children? Yes, the number 101 or 101. This is the number which we dial to call up the fire station. And okay, now an ambulance. We dial 102, 102. This is the emergency helpline number to call up an ambulance. Right, children? This is the first activity. Let us go to the next activity, and that is, yes, tick the correct answer. Right? Here are a set of questions. Yeah, and the options have been given in the below. You have to mark a tick mark in the space given below for the correct answers. Right, children? The first one, a group of shops is called a post office, market, or a hospital. Group of shops is called a market. Look here, B is the correct answer. The market is the correct answer here. Group of shops is called a market. So you have to put a tick mark here to the market. Second one, which of these things is not present in a post office? Yes, children, The stamps, options are the stamps, postcards and bread. Yes, which of these is not present? The stamps and postcards are present in a post office, and the remaining thing is bread. Bread is the correct answer, right? Bread is not present in a post office, so you have to put a tick mark here in the space given. Yes, children, this is the answer for the second one. And the third one, who keep our neighborhood safe? Policemen, doctors or postmen? Yes, children, who keep our neighborhood safe? Yes, you are right. The policeman keeps our neighborhood safe. So you have to put a tick mark here to the option A, policeman. Children, now moving to the next activity. Look here, what is this? Yes, who am I? Okay, the first question is, I deliver letters, telegrams and parcels. Who am I? Yes, he is a postman, right children? So you have to write the postman word here in the space given. Right children, you have to fill the space with the word postman. P-O-S-T-M-A-N. Postman delivers letters, telegrams and parcels. Right? The second one, I catch thieves and criminals. Who am I? Yes, he is a policeman. Right children? You have to fill the space with the word policeman. Here, P-O-L-I-C-E-M-A-N. Policeman is the correct answer. Here you have to fill the space with the word policeman. Next, coming to the third one, I treat the people who are ill and injured. Yes, who will treat the people, children, when you are ill and injured? Yes, he is a doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor is the correct word. So you have to fill the space or fill the blank with the word doctor here. Okay, children, coming to the fourth one, I put out fires and save the people. Right, who am I? Yes, he is a firefighter. Children, firefighter puts off fire and save the people. F-I-R-E, fire. F-I-G-H-T-E-R, firefighter is the correct word here. So you have to fill the space with the word firefighter. Okay, the next activity is answer the following questions. Right children, let us read one by one the questions and the answers. Okay, the first one, what things we can buy from a market? Yes children, the answer for this is, we can buy bread, milk, vegetables and things we need every day. Second one is, what things we can buy from a post office? Yes children, the answer for this, we can buy stamps, postcards and stamped envelopes here or in a post office. Third, what does the police do? The answer for this, policemen catch the thieves. They keep our neighborhood safe. They catch thieves and criminals. They also search for the lost people or things. Okay, next, coming to the fourth question, why do we need a hospital? Yes, answer for the fourth question, we go to hospital when we are ill or injured. Doctors give us medicines and help us to get well again. A nurse looks after the patients in the hospital. Right children, you got to know all the questions and answers. Moving to the next activity. This is where do you go when? Yes, where do you go when you want to go to another part of a city? Where do you go to? You go to a bus stand. When you want to go to another part of the city, we go to bus stand. Right, children? Bus stand is the correct word. You have to fill the space with the word bus stand. B-U-S bus, S-T-A-N-D stand. Bus stand is the correct word. You want to buy stamps. Where do you go when you want to buy stamps? Yes, you go to post office. Right, children? P-O-S-T, post, O-F-F-I-C-E. Post office is the correct word here. You have to fill this with the post office word. Third one, you are not well. Where do you go? When you are not well, you go to the hospital. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L. Hospital is the correct word. You have to fill the space with the word hospital. Fourth one, you want to report a crime. Yes, children. The answer for this is police station. P-O-L-I-C-E-S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Police station is the correct word here. So you have to fill the space with the word police station. The fifth one, you want to play. Where do you go? When do you want to play? Yes, when you want to play, you go to the playground. Yes, children. P-L-A-Y-G-R-O-U-N-D. Playground is the correct word. So you need to fill the space with the word playground. Okay, children. Look here. The last activity is find out the incorrect thing in the following pictures and discuss them in your class. Okay. This is the last activity which you need to do in your homework, children. Yes. Discuss it with your parents and do the activity. Okay, children. You have to do this by yourself. Okay. This is all for now. We have ended up with the lesson number 3. Neighborhood services. Okay, children. Thank you for watching this video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Let us meet in the next video with the next topic. Till then, bye. We'll catch you in the next video.